All right, this sounds fun. Let's do this. Hopefully this is like going to sound really familiar, okay? That way you're not like completely over your head. Okay, our warm-up is a question that we should already know. What are the two types of population growth and what do their graph trends look like? And then I put a little disclaimer in here. Hint, hint. This was a pre-lab question on your virtual population labs that a lot of you missed. All right, Logan, give me the name of one of these types of growth.
Exponential growth, where the population suddenly grows.
Perfect, Logan. Round of applause. Thank you. Exponential growth. Jamelin, tell me what the second type of growth is. Go.
Logistic growth.
Amazing. I'm so glad that you guys remember this because a lot of you left this pre-lab question blank or didn't understand what was being asked of you, so I'm glad that we're reviewing this. Okay, real quick. The second part of the question says, what do their graph trends look like? Anyone help me out here and want to draw on the whiteboard as far as the graph goes? New volunteers, please. New volunteers. Rebecca, Emily, amazing. Thank you. Here is your whiteboard tools. Go ahead. Rebecca, you can do exponential. Emily, you can do logistic. Thank you.
Bear with us, you guys. We forgot to put the basis for a graph on there, so I just put those lines on. I know they're not straight, but I have a feeling Rebecca and Emily can kill it regardless.
All right. Okay, so Emily's came in first on my chart, so I'm just going to show you real quick. So our logistic growth is going to increase, 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 and then reach this imaginary line called carrying capacity, where the population is going to level out. That is logistic growth. Okay?
And then I see that we have it correct over here with exponential. However, you added on a little bit more than we needed. So you want to modify that a little bit? You want to change it? So we're just seeing the exponential growth portion?
Perfect, 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 perfect. That's exactly what we wanted to see. We wanted to see this rapid increase happening, right? And I know that it's kind of confusing because we've talked about this before, but most populations are eventually going to level off. Exponential growth is just showing you how fast that they can rapidly grow. Not all organisms show this kind of growth. Like humans do not grow exponentially because that would mean that we are having more and more babies like at a ridiculous rate like rabbits, which is not true.
The human population size over time, though, has shown similar patterns to this exponential growth trend, which we're going to look at. Oh my gosh, are we going to do our literacy essay on this again? Because that was super fun last year.
Sure. That sounds great. Okay, so Ms. Forsyth went over our KUD, which talked a lot about trophic levels. So I kind of just want to let you guys know this is adding on to information that we already know about ecosystems. So we're really going to be looking at the energy in those trophic levels and how those move, how the energy moves through the ecosystem. Okay? All right, let's get started with a little bit of review.
Oh my gosh, I get to be the spotlight today. Do you guys see what's on the board?
Yes, I had to put that in there so that I knew what was under this black box. Okay, so really quick, ecosystems are a community of biotic and abiotic things that work and live together. Tell me in the chat real fast, what does it mean if something is biotic?
Woohoo! It's coming from something that's alive.
Love, 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 love. Okay, what does it mean if it's abiotic?
It doesn't mean it's dead, you guys. Come on.
Dead would indicate that it was at one point alive. So non-living, good, good. So make sure you know those vocab terms. They're never going to go away, ever, 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 ever. Okay, introducing for the 5th time this year, we have a fabulous singer coming at you. Her name is Kristen Forsyth, and she is going to be teaching you and also giving you pleasure to your eardrums in the form of an ecosystem rap. Give it up. Round of applause. Miss Forsyth.
Okay, I was trying to get myself ready for this, but my cards are all out of order, you guys. How am I supposed to do this if my cards are out of order? Ah! I got them. Look, I picked them up off the floor. They're not in order. So we're going to just go. We got the ecosystem. This is a little bit different than last time. We got the communities. We got the population. Oh, there's a camera delay. And organisms. Say what? We got that EC. B-O-E-C. B-O, ecosystems, communities, populations, and organisms. Say what? Okay, you're welcome. What?